So you've set up your HomeWork Solutions account, but may want to double check the information you put in or add other users to the account. This is your dashboard. If you scroll down, you'll see any employees that you've added to your portal. You can show terminated employees for old employees. And you can see household users. Doris Demo. Let's add another household user to the account. We want to add our CPA to the account. You can input their email here. This allows them to be able to log in and access your tax documents. Or if they call us during tax season to confirm information, we can see that they are an authorized user on your account to answer tax questions. If you have their firm address, just enter it here. If you don't, you can always email us with their email address to be able to add them without a physical address. Otherwise, feel free to put the firm address here. Then click Add. Carlos CPA. They can't make changes on your account, but they can certainly access the tax documents they need to file your taxes in the spring.